We would like to show you a few videos on how to edit a page set in MindExpress 5. In this first part, we are going to fill in a cell with a symbol, text and a speech action. Open the page set you want to edit, in this case, My Communication Board. Now you are in User View. If you want to edit the page set, press the F2 key or go to Menu and choose Edit. You are now in Edit View. You can easily see this because an editing panel has appeared on the right. Fill in an empty cell by selecting and start typing. As you can see, everything is completed automatically. Your text will be used as the label for the cell and as the spoken text. At the same time, a matching symbol is searched for. If you want to change what is spoken, then you can change the spoken text in the Speech Action field. You can change the label in the same way. If you want to write a lot of text, you can open a larger pop-up window by pushing the Label button. To change the symbol in a cell, click on the button titled Image. Here you can choose directly from the displayed suggestions or search for a different symbol using the search bar. At any time you can undo unwanted changes by clicking on the buttons at the bottom left of the Edit panel. Click on the Undo button or the Redo to scroll through changes you have made. To delete a cell, use the eraser, which can be found in the yellow bar at the top of the Edit panel. If you press the eraser once, you will delete all content. If you press again, your cell will revert back to the first style in the list of styles. Once you have finished editing, press the F2 key or click on the green check mark. You will now exit out of editing mode. There you go. You have now seen the first part of editing in MindExpress 5 and can fill in an empty cell or edit an existing one.